Just means you don't remind us.
So sorry, sir, even I was not aware of this thing.
We are totally underpin ourselves into the. So, Yushi, are you doing Janvi?
Yes, working on it.
Repeat this process.
Yes, sir, I am working on it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. And
Sir, I am still unable to have the sample projects and import the files.
who's there? Just mean you just
Jasmine.
you have no data to import the file.
Yeah, no data. No sample
You
projects are visible, and also I'm
sample
unable to
projects.
import.
Just
Both
means
the
sample projects you have to import from the. I will show you how to import. Okay. You just do.
yeah, sir, मतलब कि
आई मतलब बेटा मैंने वो शेयर कर दिए थे पहले व्हाट्सएप में ग्रुप में फर्स्ट
yeah, all have been done, all have been downloaded, but still those are not visible.
okay, what I can do, I can put the demo file into WhatsApp group.
But I had already did that.
Okay, anybody can put that file into the WhatsApp group. Harris.
Okay, sir, I will.
Yes.
So,
Right. No sample projects are
Sample projects will be, you have to import the sample projects from the from SmartPLS documentation section. You can import and I will tell you how to import that. Okay, right now you just do some basic things. It is I expect from you all. That is the new version. The when you updated version has not imported already. You can import the projects from the SmartPLS page. I will show you how to import that. Okay.
Okay, sir, I'm trying it.
Okay.
Downloads.
So I requested to everybody to just import the file. Slowly we will move. We are not in a, about any hurry.
I have reached to creating the model.
Have you done?
Yes, sir. File is imported.
Okay, file is imported, so I am with you. So this is our project, and start your first project 26 PLS-SEM. I give this name. When I'm clicking on here,
Sir, can you share your screen?
Share screen, please,
okay,
sir.
sorry, gentlemen. So again, opening might be I. So this is my project. This is visible to all of you. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm clicking on PLS. When I clicking on PLS-SEM, so this window will be, will open for you. This is the workplace where you will create your models. Okay.
Uh,
And there is a one on the, right side of you, there is a tools. If you're clicking on the tools, then your workspace will be increased. Okay. So you all are here with me.
yes, sir. Can you please do it from the start, please?
Okay, because what we have done, we have imported the data here. Okay, from by
Yes, sir.
clicking, I created
Dem-
2-3 times.
Demo tool.
2-3 times. I'm clicking here. When I'm clicking here, you will get the all imported indicators. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So now we have
Yes,
to
sir.
create our model, which is proposed by you. Okay. So these we have the options, like we have the back, convert, calculate, select, latent variable. Now latent variable means your construct basically. Okay. So how you create the model?
Construct.
Suppose I'm creating a construct for quality. What we have to do? Quality has the 6 or 7 statements. What I have to do? Quality 1. We have to pick quality. If I click simply draw here, so it will becomes like this. Okay. Suppose I click on latent variable. So it automatically create a latent variable. Okay. Uh, if I click on delete, I can delete this. Okay. If you just take quality and drop here, so it will create the another variables. If I take loyalty, it will create the another variables. If I take satisfaction, it will create the another variables. Okay. Uh, if I delete all, I'm deleting all the variables once again. So good practice is, suppose you want to make a model with quality. I click on quality, then I press control, quality 1, quality 2, quality 3, quality 4, quality 5, quality 6, and draw drop here. Then it becomes your construct. Okay. Suppose my second construct is
Yes, sir.
loyalty 1, control, loyalty 2, loyalty 3, loyalty 4, loyalty 5. This is the my another construct. So by clicking on the right side of that, you can take the indicator either to left side, either by clicking it, take the indicator to top side or the bottom side or to the right side. Okay. So this is the one way when you make the model. Another is the connector. If you're not connecting this variable with the other variable, then it will not run. Now it becomes blue.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When it becomes blue, that
Yes,
is the
sir.
sign that your model is ready to run. Okay. So this is the one way to create the model. I am control A, I am delete the model. Again, we will make it. Okay, one way is just take one indicator. For example, if you are not doing by my way, simply you can create a latent variable here by entering and you put the one by one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the manual type of way. Getting my point? Another way is you
Yes,
suppose you
sir.
want to make the construct of loyalty, click control, loyalty 3, 4, 5, and click here. Now it becomes the construct of a loyalty. Okay. And no extra, construct should be there. And now you have to change the name of that by selecting it. This name is quality. Okay. So till this, I expect you are with me. Tapan, Simran, Pahul ma'am, you are ready with your models? I'm
Yes, sir.
again
Yes, yes.
making
Yes,
your
sir.
model quality
Yes,
1,
sir.
quality 2, quality 3, quality 4, quality 5, quality 6.
Yes,
I
sir.
drag drop here. It becomes the quality control jet. So next is the my loyalty 1, loyalty 2, loyalty 3, loyalty 4, loyalty 5. Then we click here. So this is control jet. Okay, and by clicking on that, I have to take this into the left side, and I have to click it like this. This is your proposed model. On the literature, you propose that quality has effect on loyalty. So this is simple regression model. We can also add more variables. Suppose we are taking satisfaction. Satisfaction 1, satisfaction 2, 3, 4. I take it here. Okay. So
Yes.
we can make here. Prabjit, are you with me, beta? And make this way. Select, and this is we can take to left side. So this is my simple model. Okay. Can anybody, this model is hypothesized by you that quality and satisfaction has effect on the loyalty. Are you with me still there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what is the next step? वाहिगुरु पाठ बंद कर दो please. सिमरन देखना
Sorry,
पाठ.
sir. बाहर टीवी च लग्या होया है.
It should be in your heart only. So this is our model. Are you with me here? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
with me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
One
sir.
point, you can also hide their indicators from here by clicking hide indicators. And you can also make it black and white. Control A, make it black and white. I prefer this. Okay. And suppose you're making this type of model for your synopsis or your stars. You can, by clicking right side, you can export the image. When you export the image, it automatically you can save on your desktop, whatever you want to export. Okay. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So basically, when you,
Sir.
in the synopsis, I saw a number of
Yes,
times
sir.
students are proposing their models. They are not, their alignment is very, unrealistic. So you can import here for model which for making your search paper or for your projects. Okay. So our basic simple project is, Pushpreet, are you with me, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for while I am just showing the indicators. This is my basic models. So what you have to do for this basic model? Let's first of all, then we have to go for the calculate and calculate. There is an algorithm called PLS algorithm. Okay, you have to run this algorithm.
Can I
And
ask a question here?
there is a options factor, path, and PCA. Click already default is on the path. Okay, then start calculations. So
So can
this
you please
is
repeat?
okay. So what I have done, I go. Let me save this. Otherwise, we lost this. Saved. So what we done? We go to the calculate. We run PLS algorithm. Okay, and then we go for the start calculation. Then it will run these calculations. Okay, till
Ask a
you
question
are
here.
with me. You are with me for running this
Yep.
project.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can I ask a question here, sir?
Yes, Manoj.
Sir, for example, there are three variables, and we are studying the impact of these two variables on loyalty. For example,
Yes.
if there is a variable which the same place as loyalty,
So
which is having three dimensions. For example, if loyalty is having, for
Okay.
example,
Okay.
if
That
there
is
is
the
another.
one thing that is I will discuss later on. That is the case of higher order constructor. Okay.
Okay,
How to handle I will discuss
thank
with
you.
you. This is the
Thank you,
basic model. This is the basic model. You understand this? Okay.
sir.
So you have to run this. First of all, you run model like this.
Can I
Second, you have to run the model uh, like this. Go to the calculate, and you have to run the bootstrapping here. Okay. When you run the bootstrapping,
wait
by default there is a 5000 bootstrapping. Okay.
for
So then you have to in the final analysis you have to run 5000 time, but in simple way I just take 500 just for the speed. And this is the my and second time this is the my another bootstrapped model. Now what is these things I am discussing with you one by one.
of these
What I have done, first of all I done the PLS algorithm model. This is my PLS algorithm models. Okay. On the PLS, you can see graphical, path, coefficient, interactive factor. So here you have to check the constructor liability and validity, discriminant validity. Okay. If you, this is the reflective model.
factor
Jamaluddin, kindly off your mic, please. All are requested to mute your mic, please. I'm listening your voices. This is creating problem to me. Simran, just checked it out. Is the mic mute? Okay. So now I am just putting you the back.
if
I am putting back you to the that PPT. So this is the reflective model. So reflective model, we have to test these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can anybody take the screenshot of this?
factor
yes, sir. I need to share it in the group also.
Yes, sir. Stop here. So, my friend, slowly we are here. I'm not doing any fast way. I'm just have I want you all should be all with me. Run slowly your model. Okay. So now I'm again sharing my screen. So by sharing my screen, I'm going to the SmartPLS. So this is our model. Okay. So Simran, what is the first thing you have to check?
Sir, I think first we need to check the reliability and validity.
No, I have given you the screenshot one by one. What is the first point?
Estimating loading and significance.
Okay. So first of all, these are the loadings 0.85, 0.855, 0.83, 0.8, 0.108, 0.679, 0.962, 0.908, 0.00. So these are the loadings. Now note down. If your loading is less than 0.7, now this is the point then your load, if your loading is less than 0.7, okay, so that is not a significant loading. You have to remove that. Okay. So in quality, is any is less than 0.7, 0.108. So it means quality
Yes,
5,
sir.
quality 5 has the problem. We have to delete it. Okay.
Sir,
Quality
please
5.
repeat. And Aman sir, please mute your mic.
Sir,
My voice is,
may, may I ask?
please let me complete first. You know, it will, I will coming to your queries. Each and every query I will take. Okay. So I am, my voice is audible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now please mute your mic. First point is indicator loading. So these are our indicator loadings. If indicator
Yes.
loadings are less than 0.70, okay.
Yes.
So it means your indicator is not significant. In such a case, you have to remove that indicator. This is the first point. Now check quality 5 has the loading less than 0.70. This is clear. So we have to delete it. Okay. Now check on the satisfaction 3 and satisfaction 4. Both loadings of the indicators are less than 0.7. So we are going to delete it. Okay. So now we have with the 2 indicators. What about this? In the loyalty 5 has less than 0.7 loading, then we delete it. Okay. Now this is the your pure model. So till this model, you are with me?
Sir.
First point we have checked. First point is, the first point is to check the
Loadings.
significance of loadings. Okay. So what is these loadings? Loadings are basically the relationship of indicator with the construct. Okay. Tapan, have you understand this point?
Sir.
Okay. Pahul, understand because you are near to
Sir,
your data.
sir, what was, sir? Yeah. Sir, what you did with the bootstrapping? What was the role of the
Actually,
bootstrapping?
ma'am, let me,
You tried to run the model.
you are going very quick, but I am going very slow. Let me come the first point. Then I'm slowly coming to the bootstrap. Okay. First point
Okay.
is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Rahul ma'am, first point is clear to you. Indicator
Yes,
loading.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then you have to go for, uh,
Loadings.
yeah, again run. You can run maximum time. You again run this. Now you have to check the construct reliability and validity. Basically, this is the reliability and validity. Now click here. This is the Cronbach alpha of loyalty, quality, and satisfaction. So if these are green, then there is a no issue. Now, what is this? Cronbach alpha should be more than 0.70. Yes, Aman, Vishnu, you have queries?
Sir, can you please show it again
I'm going back.
kindly?
So I
As
calculate
we,
PLS
yes, sir.
algorithm. First of all, I will remove the model. Then there is a on the
Yeah,
left
yeah,
side
yeah. That is
value,
that is okay. That is okay.
construct
Yes,
reliability and
yes, sir.
validity.
Yes, sir.
So this is the Cronbach alpha. This is the composite reliability. This is composite reliability A and
Okay,
C.
okay, okay.
We follow on C. This is a basically. It should be composite reliability should be greater than 0.7. Okay. So this is also green. Okay. So you have to check two things from this table. First of all, Cronbach alpha.
You-
Cronbach alpha tells you the reliability of scale, and
The
composite reliability, that is the parallel to Cronbach alpha. But basically in structural conditioning modeling, we use the composite reliability. And third is the average variance extracted.
what
This is an indicator of convergent validity. So Simran, repeat what we have you put into the group. First point is indicator loading.
Estimating loading and signals, then indicator reliability, structural
Okay.
reliability, average variance extracted,
So you
discriminant validity.
okay. So you have get three things. Indicator loading we have
Yes.
discussed. Okay.
yes.
Cronbach alpha and composite reliability
And
is
the
there. Average variance extracted is there. Now what is this average variance extracted? Average variance extracted is the measure of convergent validity. Now, what do you mean by convergent validity? Convergent validity means the indicator is in the right construct. Okay? Indicator is into the right construct, that is called the convergent validity. So, we have checked one by one. So we have checked, we have checked the construct reliability, construct validity, and lastly, we have the discriminant validity. Okay, so we click on discriminant validity, and there is a lot of measures, but we use the HTMT. HTMT should not be more than 0.85 with the relationship like quality and loyalty is less than 0.85. It is less than 0.85. That is why these values are green. Okay. So what we can do? Open full report. We take construct reliability validity, copy Excel, window run, put the value into the Excel, and this is my this is my table here. How do this extract this value
Estimating
from AVE? We have extract from there. We take the HTMT table, copy from Excel, and put into the Excel file. Okay, and importantly, we take the loading. So we take the copy from Excel and we put it into the our Excels. We put it into here. Just a minute. Stop sharing. I'm again sharing what I have done. Uh, so, are you with me still here? This is the loadings. Okay. This is the you know loading. This is the construct reliability and validity, and this is the discriminant validities. Now you can again check these things on the I have shared a paper with you. If I open that paper, So check it what I've done. Basically, these types of tables are produced by me. Loading and loading against, you can write AVE, CAR or CA, or either you give the different table for loading and this. Now, what is this convergent validity, discriminant validity? We will discuss it. And again, we have give the value of HTMT. Okay. So this is the second table we have given there. Okay. Stop sharing. So now I'm coming to the points. First point is indicator loading. Indicator loading means your item is valid for the construct and the threshold value is 0.70, number one. Second point is convergent validity. Convergent validity we checked by AVE. Now, what do you mean by convergent validity? Convergent validity means items are right in the right construct. Okay. So it can be issue now. You can put the quality item to somewhere else. Okay. So items are converged into the right construct. What is Cronbach alpha? Cronbach alpha tells you the reliability of your construct or your scale. Okay. Basically, it tells you the respondent is reliable on their responses. Okay. But we use in stack locationing modeling composite reliability that is almost similar to the Cronbach alpha. Okay. If composite reliability is more than 0.70, then you can claim that there is no issue of reliability into the scale. Now, third point is discriminant validity. Discriminant validity means the constructs are different from each other, or their measure is HTMT. Their measure is HTMT, and HTMT value should be less than 0.85. Okay. Hope everybody can understand one example. I would like to give the example in Hindi. आप हर शाम को अपने घर ही क्यों जाते हो? क्योंकि आपका घर दूसरे से डिफरेंट है, आपको अपने घर ही जाना है. ठीक है. जब इसका मतलब हुआ कि आप अपनी फैमिली में कन्वर्ज हैं, यू आर कन्वर्ज इनटू योर फैमिली. ओके. उसका मेजर है एवीई. एवीई का मतलब मैं अभी बता देता हूं, स्टैटिस्टिकल मीनिंग क्या होता है इसका. एवीई का मतलब सिंपली ये होता है कि आपके जितने भी फैमिली मेंबर्स है उनका रिलेशनशिप स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो दैट्स वाई यू आर कन्वर्ज इनटू वन फैमिली. ठीक है. डिस्क्रिमिनेंट वैलिडिटी का मतलब ये होता है, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट वैलिडिटी मींस कि योर फैमिली मींस कंस्ट्रक्ट क्वालिटी इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द कंस्ट्रक्ट लॉयल्टी. Okay. Understand? Discriminant means quality and loyalties are measured different types. If you have any query, kindly ask. Harpreet, please. Harpreet, kindly unmute. So you are with me till? Okay. So,
Yes.
Any question? No. So now I'm
Excuse me,
again.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, about the loop of indicators, at the very first point, you told that if the indicator loading, it is value is less than 0.7, it should be removed. So
Yes.
if the indicator's number is how much is the minimum, sir?
No,
It
there
is
are some
3 or
there are some exceptions also. I'm going to that. The maximum value. Yeah, who is disturbing? Simran, check करना please. Let me check. So point is that there is a one exception also. Your indicator value should
less
not. Your
than 0.7, it should be So if
Aman sir, please mute.
number is
One second.
You all are requested mute all. मैंने सभी को mute कर लिया. Now it is okay. So there is a one more exception here. If your indicator value is less than 0.7, if your indicator value is less than 0.7, but it is more than 0.6 or 0.6, but it is not disturbing your AVE, then in such a situations, you can also contain the indicator 0.6 also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually, but in the case of satisfaction, there's only two indicators remained, and the two others were even around 0.
Very.
So what we should do?
That is the very important. If you have in the PLS, you must have minimum two indicators.
Yes.
If satisfaction has also problem, we have deleted, then we cannot go with only with the one construct. Okay. Understand? So we have minimum two indicators there. Okay. So next point is this is about our measurement model. Okay. And next point, we have checked the significance of loading and path coefficients. This is called path coefficient. 0.43 is our effect size, or this is our R square value. You click on. Okay. Now you have to go for the bootstrapping. Click here and run the bootstrapping. By bootstrapping,
okay, sir,
this value, if this,
there's only two in the two others are in around.
You please mute for 5 minutes all, please. So I'm so when I run the, when we run the bootstrapping, we come here, bootstrapping. We click on bootstrapping and run it. So this is the point. This is the significance. Now, please don't talk. I am just coming to your queries. Please ask me after it. Okay, please. So let me understand what is the bootstrapping, because if I'm not club the session, it will create the problem. Okay. So I run the bootstrapping here, and bootstrapping is showing the significance of your loadings, significance of path coefficients. Okay. So in the bootstrapping, you have to check the path coefficient tables. In path coefficient table, you can see quality to loyalty. This is the basically your path coefficient value, and it is p value is less than 0.5, 0.1. Then this path is significant. Satisfaction to loyalty is 0.636. It is value is less than 0.01. So this is also significant. Okay. So if the so this means if we say that if we click on now full report, you can to download this table here, path coefficient, and you have to copy this table to Excel. Similarly, after I'm copying this table to my Excel file, and I taking this table here. From here, I can take this table to the my final Word file. Okay. So first of all, now now we have just learned a rough thing what is basically what we have to check. Basically, if we if there is a three steps we have to follow while we are writing. First point is make your conceptual model. Second, in analysis part, you have to check the measurement model. Under the measurement model, you have to check the reliability and validity. Okay. In the reliability and validity, we have checked indicator reliability with the loadings. We check Cronbach alpha, we check composite reliability, and we check convergent validity with AVE. Okay. Then we check HTMT value to check the discriminant validity. Okay. Because now if you open your files, I just show you what is this AVE, what is this Cronbach alpha, what is this composite reliability. Okay. So if you follow that book, I just manually told you this is the this is the value, but you have gone through the value, each and threshold value is there is given. Okay. Nishu, are you listening me bit? Okay. So thank you. Now we are going to one part to understand. For example, I'm going to my video is audible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I have
Yes.
shared this. I will share this file with you. That is made by me. That is called compose. This file is with you.
Sir.
You can check. This is loading. So what is basically composite reliability? Composite reliability is basically what is AVE? First of all, AVE is basically nothing. What is AVE? This is your loadings. And when we scale the loadings, for example, I scale my loading. Okay. And I take average of it. This is my AVE 644. So this is my AVE. AVE is a measure of convergent validity. Now convergent validity means items are, it means the relationship between construct and item
Sir.
between on and average is 0.64. Okay. So that is why so this is our convergent validity. We calculate this by AVE. So are you with me here, Tapan? That is important for you because some people want to understand what is going on behind the data.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. The second point is composite reliability. You can check it.
Yes, sir.
Composite reliability is basically when you scale
Yes.
the loadings and eliminate the residuals. And by this way, you can calculate the composite reliability. This is for those who want to very in-depth knowledge. Okay. And this is composite reliability, how we calculate manually, because before this, we calculate all this value manually. If you're not interested in that, that's not a problem. You just understand the basic concept. Okay. One twist is there. Now the loadings are, suppose these are the loadings. You understand my point? These are the loadings. These are more than 7. These are more than 0.7. Na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose this loading is 0.6. But your AVE is more than 0.5. AVE is greater than 0.5. Then you can also retain the indicator into your model. This is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So now I'm going to one thing more. I'm going to window run, going to MS Paint for just brief out all this. My screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday I'm talk about what is the model. So this is a kind of reflective model, na? Reflective. In reflective models, indicator liability should be greater than 0.70. Okay, we can accept it if it is not affecting to. We can accept it 0.6 or more than 0.6 if it is not affecting to the AVE. Okay. So this is our indicator reliability. Second point is composite reliability. We can accept it at 0.6 also, but moderate value is 0.7, right? Next is our AVE. AVE is a threshold. AVE is representing to convergent value ratio. Their value should be equal to 0.50 or greater than 0.50. Okay. So if your loading is 0.6, but it is not disturbing to the AVE, then you can also retain the loading. This point is clear? Okay. Now, this is about our measurement model. Measurement models mean outer model. It is measurement model means regarding reliability and validity. Okay. Now, what is about structural model? In structural model, we have to check the path. Path basically is a beta value. Beta value is equal to effect size. कि इसका effect क्या है? Okay. So it should be significant. If it value is for 0.20, so it should be significance. And there is a three way of significance, like T value should be greater than 1.96 or P value should be less than 0.05. Okay. Or in PLS, it should be green. Okay. So in the structural model, we check this thing. Okay. This thing is clear to you. Now I'm going to this for PLS. I'm now see a P value is green. It means this is the path coefficient value. Okay. This is greater than 0. P value is more than 1.96. Okay. So now Pahul's question, Pahul ma'am's question. What is bootstrapping? Bootstrapping is what? Basically, suppose this is our sample size is 243. These are the items 243. So 5,000 bootstrapping mean 5,000 times this sample is repeated. Second sample is also 243. And third sample is taken from these two samples. Okay. Fourth sample is taken from these three samples. Fifth sample is taken from all these five samples. Till 5,000, we repeat this process. This process is called the bootstrapping. By bootstrapping, we get the confidence interval, we get the T value, we get the P value. Okay. So basically, our motive is not to understand what is a bootstrapping. Our motive is to either concentrate on P value, T value, or confidence interval. Okay. Mostly we follow the P value in the writing part. Rahul ma'am, it is clear to you? Okay. Oh, so now I'm again moving to my model. So this is some basic introduction. I forgot about to discuss about HTMT. Go for there. I will not manually calculate. You can also do the practice. I've shared with you. I've just a clue how to calculate it. Sharing. So I am sharing. This is the tables I have taken from my analysis part. Don't save it. And this is about HTMT. It's not open. Let me open this file. This file is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the HTMT way, how manually we calculate. So when you find, suppose there is a two construct like behavior, intention, and quality. So this type of correlation matrix we get from the SmartPLS. So what is this? Behavior intentions with behavior intentions indicators. This represent two triangle. Quality 1, quality 2. The relationship between quality and quality variables representing two triangle. The relationship between quality and behavior intentions indicator represented to the square. Okay. So HTMT is equal to square divided by square root of triangle multiplied by triangle. So basically, if I do the average of this, average of square, average of this yellow part, it becomes 0.38. If I doing the average of this, it becomes 0.60 or 0.53 for this. And by applying this formula, you can calculate the HTMT manually. And I have shared this with you. You can do this practice, but their value should be less than 0.85. So Tapan, this is clear to you, or I will calculate manually all these things because
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now one thing important. When we going to the share my PLS screen, when I'm going to check the discriminant validity also, we have to check also, sometime we also check the, let's go to run calculate PLS algorithm, and we have to check the discriminant validity. There is a lot of measure of like Forner and Lacker criteria. That is the previous, that should be, it means this value of diagonal should be greater than the basically the relationship of the variable
Sir,
quality 1 and loyalty. Yes. Oh, sorry.
kindly share the screen, sir.
Yeah. Sorry. And 7-8 windows are open in my PC, so that's why I get this problem.
It's okay, sir.
So another criteria to check is Forner-Lacker criteria. This is basically check. These diagonals are the square root of ABE, and these are the relationship of the variable quality with the loyalty. The diagonal value should be high in column and row. If this criteria is followed, then you can also claim the discriminant validity. Okay. So mostly, but we follow the HTMT. This is the oldest criteria. Okay. Then we calculate our bootstrapping. We check the path coefficients here. We check the path coefficients. Okay. We check the R square value. We check the R square value from here. We check the F square value. F square value basically effect sizes value. And one most importantly, we run the PLS predict also. This is for the Q square value. This is somewhat different. So Q square value we have to claim. We predict here. So Q square value should be green. It should be greater than PLS predict LV summary, indicator by summary. So one thing I add, go to calculate and understand and run the PLS predict. And PLS predict, simply you run it. I describe all these things, and you can check PLS predict summary. The value should be green there. All values should be green there. Okay. And you can check the overview. This is a descriptive of that PLS prediction. PLS predict. Yeah, this is the PLS predict summary. Its value should be greater than 0.02. Now I'm again going you back just to explain few things. So now I am sum up this session because lot of information you will not getting. We will start tomorrow from here. First of all, in this session, you have to understand what is the reliability, what is the validity. Okay. In the measurement model, and then the next part, you have to understand what we have to quote, like path coefficients. Okay. And you have to quote the R square. You have to quote the effect sizes. What are these things? You have to study on the books I have given to you, and otherwise we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay. Because our purpose is just to run a small PLS model. Now you can also, once you are understand this model, you can extend this model with any other variables. Like you can take behavior intentions also. And each model, you have to check the same things again and again. Okay. If I calculate this, so these values are not it, and we have to delete this value. So again this value, and when I again run this model with this new value, again I have to check the loadings. Loadings means this should be green. Construct reliability, that should be green. Discriminant validity, that should be green. Okay. And we in the then we run the bootstrapping. In bootstrapping, we have to run.
Screen.
Oh, sorry. So now I have extended this model to this. I have make one more variable like behavior intentions. So I run the PLS algorithm start. So this is the value. Again, I have to check the constructor reliability. If this is your model, this should be green. Loading should be green. And R square value, this is this. And discriminant validity value is green. Then I am going to do the bootstrapping for here. And for the path coefficients, value should be green. Okay. For the, there is another values we have can check here, like R square value is there and F square value is there. F square value is there. So these are values are available. Now, what is your assignment for tomorrow? You have to run this model and you have to go through some few pages of the books, and you understand. We will further we will discuss what is R square, F square, Q square tomorrow. Okay. And tomorrow we will also do some mediation and moderation model. Okay. But generally today you realize what is measurement model. Measurement model is related to reliability and validity. Okay. And also tomorrow ask me about QQ plot. Okay. How to make it. And now compare my tables with the search papers and how you drag drop your tables for that. So this is all for the today. And now I expect you all people will do the practice at your home and you will come with the practice tomorrow. So we will carry on from here. If you have any query, kindly ask me right now. 5 minutes. Yes.
Sir.
Yes, Aman.
Like we have made a conceptual framework where we have independent variable mediators and one moderator and independent variable. So
Yes.
can we combinedly run it? And
yeah, measurement, no problem. We are tomorrow discuss the mediation moderation. Okay. Simply whether you are running moderation, whether you are running mediation, but in measurement model, you have to check all these things. like reliability, validity, discriminant validity, indicator loadings. Okay. Anybody has any question?
Okay. And on combinedly, we can check it, no?
Yeah, yeah. Very
Placing all
big.
the mediator moderators, and
Yeah,
we can
you
check
you
it.
do one thing, Aman. You go for the sample projects and run the model. You will get the value for 6, 5, 7 constructs for that. Okay. Go to sample projects and run
Thank you,
that
sir.
sample
Thank you.
projects. Anybody else has any query? Basically, if I conclude that
Thank you.
today we will only cover the measurement model, path coefficient, R square, F square, these little discussion I think left on it. Anybody, Tapan, any query?
No, sir.
Anybody else? Alina? Simran?
Anji, sir?
Any query?
No, sir.
Okay, we will carry on from tomorrow from here. Okay, so you are all you are advised to make the models. Okay, and I will today take a little bit test of you how to check reliability and validity. Pushpreet, you are getting something? Where is Pushpreet? She left, I think. Huh? Okay, ji. Good night. See you tomorrow all.
Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night.
Thank